Wambere turenda confirmation of all the 46,000 intern teachers, the both junior and senior interns. We want to be confirmed because we are not children of a lesser God. Na nituonete MPs, especially MPs UDA, make issue marwa ma PNP hadharani, and we are here in internship. President yugire internship is a government policy, but still kwena ndo maraigira permanent and pensionable without going through internship. That is why we are here. Turuga atiriri ona ithe tuno tuheo PNP because we are trained, we are graduate, na gote intern akorago graduate. The moment you graduate, you cannot be an intern. So we are here to say we are trained teachers to heo musara wa mwarimu trained. We are all graduate to heo musara wa graduate. Musara sio turahewa 17,000 nembesa nginya itara sustain mondo with this economy. So we are calling upon the government mathikirerie arutani a JSS. We are the pioneers of CBC. Neither to create the vision of CBC. We are the one carrying the junior secondary. We are the first rot. Yes. Now a teacher who is not well paid or well enumerated is not even motivated to teach.
Na umothe tugete tutingithie kirathi tuguka guku umothe tuke rucio Tuesday tuke Wednesday Thursday Friday na igukorota Nagasaki and Hiroshima na HOI turenda kumera atiriri matige kubeana false data ati arutani ni marathie thukuru ithuothe tu aba na ni murona na tutiracoka thukuru
na turoria TSC marumirire watho wa court wa to confirm us into permanent and pensionable terms tondo internship koti raugia ni irigo gutebara mundu wa uria mu graduate angetweka intern na nitwekire internship ria twari third year